Pulsar is a solution for product matching and procurement optimization. In this demonstration, we will walk you through the interface prototype and show how Pulsar effectively addresses key challenges. The application consists of two key sections. 1. Suppliers. Work with various price list resources and supplier management. 2. Projects. Manage procurement tasks at the project level. Work with user transactions. Search for product alternatives and generate optimization reports with recommendations. On the suppliers page, the user manages the sources of products with prices. The user sees a list of previously created suppliers, including their names, the number of uploaded products, the type of resource, such as an XLSX file, database connection, or API integration. Additionally, for suppliers currently undergoing analysis, the user can see their status, progress, and an estimated time to complete indexing. When adding a new vendor, we have to specify its name and the resource from where the data will be taken. It can be an XLSX or CSV file, a connection to the database with the selection of the required table, or an API connector. When the source is created, the user can see all the uploaded items. The main work takes place on the projects page. All previously created projects are displayed here with information on how many purchases have been imported into them and how many reports have been created. In addition, if the reporting process is ongoing, we can view its status and the number of purchases processed. Creating a new project takes literally a few seconds. On the project page itself, we can see all uploaded purchases, including details such as the name, description, purchase quantity, and price. When importing purchases into a project, we can also select the type of resource. In this case, it will be an XLSX file. During import, Pulsar analyzes your purchase file and transforms all data into a spreadsheet. At this step, the user will be prompted to double-check the data and adjust it if necessary. Our system has several major advantages. Easy-to-use interface that reduces manual work. Combined search based on associative search and artificial intelligence for product selection. Ability to retrain Pulsar with custom matching rules, allowing users to specify how products should be linked and matched according to their unique criteria. User-driven learning. Users can manually link client products to supplier products, ensuring that future matches automatically recognize these associations, improving accuracy over time. Let's talk in more detail about custom matching rules. On the project page, there is a tab Instructions. Here, users can also fine-tune the system to the specific needs of their industry by specifying additional rules in natural language. For example, if juice has been purchased, only fresh juice should be considered. First of all, you should focus on comparing products by manufacturer's number. Second in priority are goods that match in size and weight of the package. Users can also manage created rules. Next, let's discuss user-driven system learning. If a user knows that their purchase with a certain description corresponds to a specific supplier product, they can indicate this to the system. If we want to associate a purchase with supplier products, we have to set up a filter, find the desired supplier products, and tick the necessary ones. The system will then remember this association and take it into account when searching for alternatives. The linked products are also displayed on the supplier page. The link can be established either from the user's purchase or from the supplier's product list. Users can also easily remove the link between products and purchases. Now let's take a look at how a savings report is created. We need to navigate to the project page, then select the items for which we want to find alternatives and press the Analyze button. After that, let's go to the Reports tab. Here, we can see all created reports on the search for alternatives, including their name, status, selected report type, number of selected purchases for optimization, and data creation. On the report page, we see a table with all selected products and suitable alternatives. If we want to add a few more instructions, there is a button to recreate the report. Users can also download the report in XLSX format. The report table itself contains the name of the original purchase, descriptions, the name of the found alternative that best matches your settings, recalculated price, and total savings. We can also see all alternatives found by the system and select another alternative ourselves. By clicking on the proposed alternative, the user will be able to see all the calculation and conversion to the required amount. Pulsar's product matching and saving strategies are highly adaptable across different industries. The workflow remains very similar regardless of the industry. Price lists can come in different forms: XLSX or CSV, databases, APIs, each with its unique structure. Pulsar leverages AI to pre-process and normalize these diverse formats, making them ready for further analysis and matching. This approach applies equally to user transactions, where AI can standardize data for better integration. Customizable instructions allow each user in any industry to set their own rules, specifying which fields to prioritize, handling exceptions or ambiguous situations, and defining what is acceptable or not. Even if products have entirely different descriptions but are known to be identical, manual linking helps solve this problem effectively.